That's Damon right there. He's a long-time member of the club with the Bertoni.
Oh, is that right?
Yeah. He's driving.
Now that orange one that came in, that was a sweet ride.
Yeah.
I thought you parked over there. Man, that was a really nice. And I like that green one too.
Yeah.
This guy's got it. Is this a Porsche?
See you, Damon. Yeah, that's a Porsche. We let him in.
That's a sweet ride. Look at that thing.
Man, there's a bunch of them going.
Oh, here it is.
Oh, yeah.
This is so small, it was hidden.
Oh my God. That's a nice car, that Scorpion right there.
This one right here?
Yeah, this one right here.
How old is that?
I don't know, that's nice. That's nice.
I think it's in good shape too.
Oh, there's Jim.
Do you have the sag wagon?
The what?
This ride, do you have the sag wagon? Didn't you say if someone breaks down?
Oh yeah, we do have. Yeah, I got a trailer I could do. Yeah. Bye. All the chase cars. There goes Kevin. There's Kevin who was looking for. There you go. He's got one of my cars, but he didn't bring it.
Now that car's been here since the beginning. Is that one of the dealers or something? The white one?
Yeah, that's mine. Yeah.
Oh, that's yours?
Yeah. You want to drive it? You're welcome to. Hey, Jim. There he is.
You're going to be bringing up the rear. Good job.
That's the trace. He's the chase car. He knows all the bail bondsmen and all that stuff.
My chaser is staying here. Man, that's nice.
Beautiful. All right. That is a nice car.
That's the old girl.
Yep.